Okay, here we are. I don't know what day this is, but about 2 weeks in. And this wall's been closed. All of our paint has been done. The kitchen is being demoed. The countertops are loosened up and coming off tomorrow. Cabinets are gonna be out of here in a couple days. But the paint's done and it feels so much warmer. Oh, and a new ceiling fan that actually matches. Looks good. Anyway, in the master bedroom, let's see, we're gonna be putting some really cool wallpaper here, which will probably be that grass cloth stuff, which I never heard of before, but now I know about. And or something else. And we'll be doing something very similar in the guest room. But let me just check this out. Here's my mirror, my closet. Thinking about, we've got California closets coming. They've already estimated all of this to redo the closet, which I'd really like. Our washer and dryer came today, so let's see how they look. Yay! These are really cool ones. You can wash an entire huge comforter in these. But again, we still need granite or stone. We'll probably do the quartzite, which we have for the kitchen, for the countertops in here, but they look really nice. Then in our guest room, for those of you coming to visit, some of you at least, this will be like a white, it's a white wall here, but we will be putting a cool wallpaper as well there. Apparently those are really in again. And then in our half bath, it's too dark to see, but soon there'll be light. We did this really dark color above the brickwork to see how that might look and see if I don't go crazy, and I like that, but it looks pretty decent. We've got the light fixture and the mirror that'll be coming soon, and we'll be able to see if we like that better. This brickwork I really did not like at all, but our decorator said, just wait till everything's done and let's see, because we're gonna have brown cabinets. This paint warms it up. It feels 10 times better already about that. And then here's the den, and this is going to be for a really cool Southwest art picture that we have. I don't know if the color will stay in the middle. I don't know what color this might be. We'll look once the picture gets in. We got really cool lighting for the picture that is above it, and that will be coming shortly. Thinking, oh, then we got our, I don't know if I already videotaped this, but California Closets did this entryway closet. This is very, very lovely with this like nice brass handles. They're really, really pretty. Anyway, and these are for our pickleball and athletic golf shoe type things right when we come in off the garage. And then in here, the same thing, we have some extra shelves down there for more, along with a small little coat closet that, because of the depth of this closet, they hang the hanger this way, so the coats go this way and you can still get quite a few in there. And extra storage up above. So really made good use of this space. It ties in with the paint color. So, so nice. Anyways, that's the progress. Oh, we also got this, our light fixture in for our dining room. We are doing a lot of mixed metals in our house, and so this is one of the mixed metal choices, and it's going to look really lovely. Now outside, we have met with several contractors because our first quote came back really high for putting a fireplace right here, closing that wall off in this new pergola area out here. So we're waiting on 2 more quotes right now to see what we come up with. Also, we're going to put some turf in this area to break up some of this travertine. It's just too much for us. We're going to put a fire pit on the back of that waterfall area. We're going to really increase and upgrade this landscaping and make it more flowing and real pretty. So this putting green is probably going to go because no one ever uses them anyways, but they think they want them. And because of the way this pergola's got to hang, we have a 6 top table that's got to fit underneath it. So this is going to be slightly different as well. So wait, more to come. Lots more work going on this week. And then in about 2 weeks, we start installing the kitchen. Today, I'm ordering these new wind screens that will be coming down. The wind and sun screens. These are kind of less expensive ones, and that these are not automatic. Or they are automatic, but they don't actually seal around the edge. So ours will actually seal it, and you will really feel warmer. And once that smaller area is closed off and that's closed off, it's where our TV is going to go over there, then that fireplace will really be able to heat this area. So more to come. I'll keep you updated.